If you're looking to automate trend monitoring and stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Browse AI offers a unique and powerful way to automate the process. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to leverage it for your advantage. Browse AI is a no-code platform that helps you extract data from websites and monitor trends effortlessly. It automates the process of trend monitoring by extracting relevant data from various sources across the internet without needing to know how to code. If you're tired of manually tracking trends, this tool is a game changer. You can start by simply setting up a robot that mimics human browsing behavior. This robot collects data from the websites that matter most to you, whether it's product prices, competitor activity, or social media trends. Browse AI can track it all and send you updates when there's a shift in the data you're monitoring. The best part? You don't need to waste time pulling data manually or building complex scrapers. With Browse AI, the setup process is quick and intuitive. All you need to do is define the data you want and set the parameters for when and how often you want to receive updates. It's that simple. Browse AI also has a visual interface, making it easy for anyone, no matter their technical skill level, to automate their trend monitoring. You can extract information from different websites in just a few clicks. Plus, the platform is versatile enough to handle various types of data, including pricing, social media mentions, and even customer reviews. Now, let's talk about how you can use this tool to track trends. For businesses, keeping track of market shifts, product popularity, and competitor actions is crucial. With Browse AI, you can automate that process to get real-time updates, so you never miss an important trend. This gives you a competitive edge, letting you act quickly while others are still catching up. By automating trend monitoring, you're freeing up time to focus on strategy and action rather than wasting time on repetitive tasks. You'll have more time to create content, adjust your campaigns, or develop new product strategies based on the insights Browse AI provides. And with its automated alerts, you can stay ahead without even checking your data manually every day. One of the best features of Browse AI is its ability to integrate with other platforms and tools you already use. It's compatible with popular applications, so you can easily feed your trend data into your marketing dashboards, spreadsheets, or CRM tools. This flexibility makes it a powerful asset in any digital marketing strategy. And if you're concerned about costs, I've got great news. You can try Browse AI completely free with an exclusive trial by using the link in the description below. Plus, there's an extended free trial waiting for you, giving you more time to see the power of automating trend monitoring. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how Browse AI can revolutionize your approach to monitoring trends. This tool is perfect for businesses, marketers, and anyone who needs to stay ahead of the competition. So don't wait. Start automating your trend monitoring today and enjoy the extended free trial from the link below.